Embarking on your recovery journey is no easy task. You're not alone. There are powerful tools designed to support you. Today, we're delving into a transformative tool from Smart Recovery known as DISARM. The brilliance of DISARM lies in its ability to help you externalize and objectify your urges. Think of it as giving a name to that nagging voice, be it the brat, the clown, or the lobbyist. By naming this voice, you foster a heightened awareness of its presence, allowing you to identify and address it promptly. You can visualize this persona shrinking, weakening, and vanishing as you say no. This act of personification serves as a dual purpose. It reinforces the understanding that you are not defined by your urges or behaviors. It empowers you, giving you control over the urge and the associated addictive behavior. So the next time you find yourself grappling with an urge, remember DISARM. You are indeed stronger and more resilient than it. Embrace the DISARM method as a trusted ally in your recovery journey, a tool that champions your strength and independence. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.